So you went to the courthouse and you got some probate leads. You took pictures of all the documents that includes real property. So now you're ready for the next step, which is targeting these leads. So what I like to do is I like to create a Google Drive sheet and just fill it out with all the petitioners' information there. After I have my pictures on my phone, I'm going to just go here and create a new Google sheet. And I'm going to create these columns right here. I already did a copy, so I'm just going to paste them here. So these tabs here, I'm going to have the PR first name. The PR is basically the petitioner or the executor. So I'm going to need a tab for each of these things right here. When I skip trace, they have to be in individual columns. So I have the first name, the last name, the address, the city, state, and zip. And I doubt you're going to be needing this, but I just like to have it just in case I do need it. And this is the property address. Very important to have these right here. And sent to batch just means that whether it was skip traced or not, you definitely don't need this, and you probably won't need this. And you don't have to put DCs. You could put property. So this make more sense. So let's just do property address. Okay. This make more sense. And let's just delete this for this purpose. And PR first name. We could leave that. Last name, PR address, city, state, zip. Okay. This is important. And let's just delete this for this video. Where's delete? Okay, delete right here. Delete the column. Alright, so with the information being on your phone, you're just going to go to each picture, right? So, for example, this one, John. Okay, so first name, last name, and you put the address, city, state, and zip code, right? This is where you'll be skip tracing this person information to find their phone number. And a property address, you could just put anything. I'll put anything, Johnson Street. State, you could put Florida, whatever. And, okay. And you just do the same thing for each. Next picture, next picture, next picture, until you have all your records here. And after that, you just save it. Well, it's saved already. So in this case, you just download it as CSV, and then you just send it off to get skip traced. Another way you could do this is, let's say you have the pictures. Let's say you have the pictures sent to your computer. You could do a split screen, so you could do half and half, but I think it's easier to just do it from your phone, because if you do a split screen, half of this is going to get cut off and you're going to have to just go back and forth. Whichever works best for you. Let's say you do a split screen, so just go to the first page and you'll just enter the petitioner information here. So petitioner, in this case, you will just enter their information here. From here, fill it out, and it'll tell you their address, fill it out, and then the property address would be under assets over here. So it just depends whichever works best for you. I'm pretty sure you guys already know how to skip trace, so You guys should be good from here. If you don't know how to skip trace, just hit me up and I'll make a video showing you guys how to skip trace, which skip tracing service I use and why I use it.